the impossible moon far beyond the orbit of Earth, beyond Saturn's rings, beyond even Uranus. A frozen world moves backward around its planet. This is Triton, the largest moon of Neptune. A moon that defies every rule of planetary formation. It orbits in reverse. It has active geology despite extreme cold. And it may hide an ocean beneath its ice. Triton is not just a moon. It is a captured world. A relic from the outermost edge of the solar system. Triton was discovered in 1846, just 17 days after Neptune itself. Using a telescope in England, astronomer William Lassell identified a faint companion orbiting the distant blue planet. For over a century, Triton remained little more than a moving point of light. No surface details, no atmosphere, no clues to its strange nature. That would change, dramatically, in 1989. In August 1989, Voyager 2 flew past Neptune. It remains the only spacecraft ever to visit the Neptune system. As Voyager 2 approached Triton, scientists expected a dead, frozen rock. Instead, they found one of the most astonishing moons in the solar system. Surface temperatures -235 degrees Celsius. Sunlight, less than 1/900th of Earth's. And yet, Triton was alive. A moon that moves backward. Triton orbits Neptune in a retrograde direction, opposite to the planet's rotation. This single fact reveals a stunning truth. Triton did not form around Neptune. It was captured. Most likely, Triton originated in the Kuiper Belt, the same distant region that produces Pluto-like worlds. Long ago, Triton passed too close to Neptune. Gravitational forces stole it. Its original orbit collapsed into a tight, tilted backward path. This capture event would have been violent, reshaping Triton from the inside out. Surface of ice, nitrogen, and fire, Voyager 2 revealed a surface unlike any other moon. Triton is covered in frozen nitrogen water ice as hard as rock, carbon dioxide and methane frost. But the most shocking discovery, active geysers. Dark plumes of nitrogen gas were erupting 8 kilometers into space. This made Triton the coldest world ever observed with active geology. These are not volcanic eruptions of molten rock. They are cryovolcanos, volcanoes powered by ice. Cryovolcanism, ice that behaves like fire. On Triton, nitrogen ice behaves like magma. Here's how it works. Sunlight passes through translucent nitrogen ice. Dark material beneath absorbs heat. Nitrogen vaporizes, building pressure. The ice cracks open. Gas erupts violently into space. The result? Seasonal geysers that reshape the surface. This proves Triton is not geologically dead. It is evolving, right now. A thin, dynamic atmosphere. Triton has an atmosphere, one so thin it would feel like a vacuum to humans. Composition, mostly nitrogen. Traces of methane. Pressure, 70,000 times weaker than Earth's. Yet this fragile atmosphere changes with the seasons. As Triton moves along its tilted orbit, sunlight warms different regions. Nitrogen sublimates. Atmospheric pressure rises and falls. This makes Triton one of the most dynamic atmospheres in the outer solar system. Beneath Triton's frozen crust may lie something extraordinary, a subsurface ocean. Evidence includes surface fractures caused by internal stress, young terrain with few impact craters, heat generated by tidal forces during capture, if liquid water exists beneath Triton's ice. It would be chemically rich, protected, and long-lived. This places Triton among the top candidates for habitability beyond Earth. Life would not be impossible here, just very, very different. Triton's backward orbit is slowly shrinking. Neptune's gravity is pulling Triton inward. In billions of years, one of two things will happen. Triton will break apart into a ring system, or collide with Neptune itself. Triton is living on borrowed time. Its existence is temporary, but its scientific value is eternal.